Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are feeling quite and you are energetic, enthusiastic, and feeling fantastic. So, with a lot of energy, we're going to start our day because it's a new, beautiful day, another beautiful day. Yeah, very nice weather still. It's a little humid, a little more humid, but that's okay. We are enjoying the rain, we are enjoying the gray clouds, we are enjoying the combination of gray and green that looks very nice. So, that's why I'm wearing this floral design to even a little matching with the outside weather and the colors outside. So I thought of because I love flowers and like we all like colors and flowers. So when we look at the different kind of pictures, when we go out, when we see different kind of places, we see different buildings, different places, we make different kind of everybody takes it differently, right? Everybody perceives the things in the pictures and the sceneries, everything, the situations very differently. So if it's a beautiful weather outside, if I go out and there is a friend with me, so it's not like maybe we both will not like the same things, or maybe we both will not look at the same things, or maybe not appreciate the same things. If my friend is going to like something, I'm going to like something else, and maybe if we are going to like something, uh, uh, like the same thing which we're going to like, we are going to take it differently, right? If it's a flower, my friend is looking at a flower and I'm looking at the flower, so maybe she'll like different things from that flower and I'm going to like different things from that flower. So because every individual is different, we all think differently, we all perceive differently, we all act differently, we think differently. So we are all different, and that is the beauty of everything. That every single thing is different and beautiful at a place. So when we look at some picture, when we look at some situation, when we look at something, uh, our mind starts making the pictures and stories. Yeah. So if you have visited some place, you come back home, you can write something about that. Like maybe if you went to a park, you can write like a small story, or you can write whatever you have felt going over there, what was your experience over there. So you're going to enjoy that. And the more you have enjoyed, the more you will have to say about that, right? Maybe if you have visited, you went for vacations to some place, and when you're back, you can have like a couple of pictures, you'll have many thoughts in your brain, and you can discuss about that, right? When even you go for an event, we come and discuss so many things. So today we are going to discuss a couple of pictures. Yeah. So whoever will be watching those pictures, that will be everybody's comments, thoughts, or the way they look at the picture will be different, right? So today we are going to visit the zoo. Yeah. So what do we see in the zoo? What do we have in the zoo? Yeah, we have animals in the zoo. So we are going to look at the picture of those animals and we are going to create our own story, or maybe what we have seen over there. I I'm sure that all of you must have visited at least once in a lifetime to zoo. You all have visited zoo, you all have seen the animals over there. So we have chosen a couple of animals, so we will just discuss about that. You can even share your views, that when you went to the zoo, how was your experience, and what was the animal doing over there, and what do you think about that? Like, I'm not going to give you any hints because I want you to think, use your own imagination, use your own words, and use your own perception, right? And right now what we are doing, that is called the picture reading, right? So for that, I will ask you to take out your alphabet fun book, A to M, the capital A to M book. Yes, please take out your alphabet fun A to M book. Yeah, there'll be pictures, and I'll be showing you the pictures, and then we will be discussing about that. Okay, so take out page number 52. Yes, yes, page number 52. All of you take out page number 52. Yes, what do you see on page number 52? There are a couple of pictures. Yes, this one. See, there are a couple of pictures over here, and they say at the zoo. Yes, because we find these animals in the zoo. Right? Now, which animals can you see in your book? I see a bear. Yeah, that's great. I see a bear. So right now we are just looking at the pictures, and then we will discuss about the picture, right? Okay. So, oh, that's another animal. What do you see? I see a turtle. Yes, I see a turtle. Yeah, there's another animal. I see a fox. Yes, I see a fox. Oh wow. And then I see a zebra. That's great. I see a zebra. Okay, that's great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you, on which there will be one animal at a time. And while looking at that animal, we are going to discuss about that picture. Right, what we can see in that picture. So you are only going to tell that I see this, I see this, I see this, right? So very simple. We're going to make it very simple, so that you don't have to make a story on that, but you just have to look at the picture and you're going to tell that what you can see over there. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. Yay, that's a bear. Wow. Okay, now have a look at this bear. Yeah, oh, look at this bear. Yay. Oh, sorry. Huh? Where is my bear gone? Oh my God. Hold. Okay, okay. Now look at this picture. We're going to look at this picture, and then after a while, we are going to talk about the picture, right? So no stories, just a simple sentence that what do you see in this picture, right? Okay, so we are going to discuss. Yes, okay, you see a bear in the picture. Okay, that's great. Anybody else? Yes, I see a brown bear in the picture. That's good. Very nice. Okay, what else? Okay, yes. Oh, you see a baby bear in the picture. That's nice. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And there are other things as well in the picture. Please look at them carefully. Yes, okay, that's great. You see yellow flowers in the picture. That's nice. Excellent, excellent. Anybody else? Okay, that's lovely. Great. You see green trees in the picture. That is nice. Excellent, excellent. See, this is how we look at the picture carefully, and we have just to see what's in the picture, right? Now it's bear, it's a brown, I see a brown bear, I see a bear with the fluffy skin, hair, soft brown fur on the bear. Then there are yellow flowers in the picture. There are many flowers, beautiful yellow flowers, and there are green trees, and there is a beautiful cub, brown baby bear, a cub in the picture. You can see. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's lovely. Okay. So you have seen a couple of different things in the picture. Okay, now we had turtle. Yeah. Okay, now we have a turtle over here. This is a kind of simple picture. Okay. So yes, what do you see in the picture? Yes, that's great. I see a turtle in the picture. Then, oh, that's great. I see a hard shell on the turtle. That's lovely. I see black color on the shell. Yes, that's great. That's lovely. Okay, that's great. I see two legs. Yes. In the picture, there are like only two legs are showing of the turtle. There are four, but only two are showing and in this picture. So yes. And what else? Ah, you see the eyes of the turtle. Okay, that's great. Yes. He has two eyes, and we can see the eyes of the turtle. That's nice. Very good. Okay, and what else? Ah, you see the turtle walking slowly? Okay, in picture we cannot see the turtle moving, but yes, turtles move slowly. Yes, so you can use your imagination. That's even good. So, like, there are many things, though it's a simple picture, but you have come up with like very nice things. That's good. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to show you another picture over here. Yay, a zebra. Okay, so look at the picture carefully, and you're going to tell me that what do you see in this picture? Yes, I see a zebra. That's great. Yes, I see black and white stripes on the zebra. Yes, that is lovely. That is great. What else? I see the long tail. That's good. Very nice. You see the long tail of the zebra. That's lovely. And what else? I see a walking zebra. Okay, that is fantastic. Yes, the zebra is walking. See the legs? They show that the zebra is walking. That is lovely. That is great. Super good. Okay, so that is lovely. And now I'm going to share the last picture with you. Where is my last picture? I'm going to show you. Yeah, I cannot zoom this picture, but you just have to look at this picture. It's a fox, right? So you want to look at this picture carefully and tell me, what do you see? Yes, I see a fox. That's great. I see a fox standing on the stones. Yeah, maybe they'll look like they're standing on the snow stones. That's great. Okay, what else? Yes, it has got a fat tail. That is lovely. Right? Yes, it has got a flat tail. Then what else? You see two ears. That's good. That's great. The fox has two ears. Yes. You see a fox in the jungle. That is great. Lovely. Fantastic. That is super great. Okay, so we read a couple of pictures and that was super great. You did a fantastic job by looking at the pictures and discussing about the pictures. That was really fun. And I got to know that you have seen a couple of very different things, noticed very different things, and that was really, really, really nice. So this is how we start reading, by reading the pictures, by looking at the pictures. So that was really fun. So you are going to keep on practicing about reading the pictures. Even if you have pictures at your home, maybe your family pictures, or maybe any postcards, or maybe any picture in the newspaper or the magazine, you can just sit with your siblings and like make up a story about that, or maybe what you can see in that picture. Maybe you'll find out which nobody else can see in that picture, right? So this was our today's class, literacy class, in which we have done picture reading, and we are going to do that again. We'll practice it again as well, and you also practice it at home, right? So I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and we'll see each other in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have, right? Okay, so till we see each other soon, inshallah, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.